Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open a Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. So this is the Finder. Click on it. And now navigate to the location where you want to create the new folder, such as your desktop, document, or other folders. So I'm choosing desktop. Once you are in the desired location, press on the keyboard Shift, Command and N together. So I'm pressing on my keyboard Shift, Command and N button together. This will create a new folder named Untitled Folder. To rename it, click on the name and type your desired name. For example, Mr. TECHFOX. After then, click on the Enter button or Return button. That's pretty simple, right? Alternatively, you can create a folder by normally right-click on an empty space and selecting this New Folder option. If you are using trackpad, then normally hold down the Control button of your keyboard and press on an empty space with your trackpad. It will show you the option to create the folder. I'm clicking on this option and here you can see that another folder has been created. I'm giving it a name. OK. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to create a folder in a MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.